Welcome back. The numbers have just been updated. Let's take you through the latest numbers that have now witnessed another spike, and it is now touching the 12,000 mark of the number of cases that have been reported in 24 hours. Currently, India's overall tally is at 3,20,922. It is a jump of almost 11,929 cases that have been reported, and the death toll has now increased by 311. So from 8,884, the death toll currently is at 9,195, touching almost the 10,000 mark in the casualties till now that have been recorded. This point that needs to be noted here, as we were looking at the gap that was increasing in the number of people who have recovered from COVID-19, and India's active cases till now has now increased by 8,049 cases. So the people who have recovered from COVID is at 1,62,378, and the active cases is at 1,49,348. Sumi is with us live. Let's quickly go across to her. So the numbers that have been updated just now, Sumi, and another spike of almost 12,000 cases that have been reported. We'll be talking about the state-wise tally as well. Which states are the worst affected? It continues to be the state of Maharashtra and the national capital. It is now almost touching the 40,000 mark.
Absolutely, Amita. National capital has been one of the worst hit since the beginning of the outbreak of COVID-19 in the month of March. And Delhi has been witnessing a sudden surge recently since Unlock 1.0 has been kickstarted. And in fact, the highest number of spike, that is, Delhi witnessed the highest single spike of more than 11,900 cases. That is almost closing in the 12,000 mark. And it is the new high that the entire, I beg your pardon, the entire national, the entire national capital, as far as concerned, has reported more than 2,000 cases. But the nation, as far as nation is concerned, it has reported more than 11,000 cases, and it is almost touching the 12,000 mark. So yes, when it comes to the cases, the national capital.
So we're giving you the affected numbers of the states as well that have been worst affected. It is Maharashtra, the national capital, and Tamil Nadu as well. But another point that is important to note is India's recovery rate. As I was telling our viewers before, the people who have been cured is more than the active number of cases. India has now crossed the 50% of the recovery rate and keeping the mortality rate below 3% at 2.86%. We'll continue to give a state-wise breakup as well, and what important meetings are lined up to happen today after